Assalamualaikum. My name is Binti Zawawi. For today lab test BMMA 3543, I will perform two questions, which are question number one. Identify where is the low pressure part and high pressure part. And then for question number two, I have to use a method for detect leakage in Hvac. Okay, for question number one, I have to identify where is the low pressure pot and high pressure pot. So this is the low pressure pot. Here L is indicate for low pressure pot, and here is H. There is indicate for high pressure pot. Okay, for the second question, I have to use a method for detect leakage in Hvac system. Basically, there are three methods to detect leakage in Hvac system. There are number one, UV dye, number two, soap bubble, which are the traditional method and the most easiest method, and number three, refrigerant leak detector. Okay, for the first step, to detect the leakage in Hvac system, we have to start the engine first. And then turn on the aircon. And then after you turn on the aircon, you have to measure the temperature using thermometer. And then for the area that will be determined whether there are leakage or not, I have chosen the AC hose. AC hose. Here I put the bubble pop. As you can see, there are no bubble at all, so there are no leaks. So if there are bubbles, so there is a leakage in the system. For the second area, let's choose the condenser part. Right here. So for condenser part, it is dangerous if you start the engine first. Okay, so you have to use other methods to check whether in the condenser part there are leakage or not. So in the third part, different areas to detect whether there are leakage or not, you can choose the high pressure part. Here, you can open this first, and then put the bubble here. So as you can see, there are no bubble, gas pop out here, so there are no leakage. That's all from me. Thank you.